Did you know that every time you turn your car's wheels, there's a small hidden device that could save your life? It's called Tpms, and although hardly anyone talks about it, this sensor is one of the greatest safety advancements in recent years. But do you really know how it works? And what happens if it fails? To understand it, imagine each tire on your car is like a leg on a table. If one is loose, the whole thing wobbles. It's the same with your tires. Low pressure might seem like a small issue, but it can actually cause longer braking distances, higher fuel consumption, or, in the worst-case scenario, a blowout at high speed. That's where the Tpms comes in, the tire pressure monitoring system. Inside each wheel, there's a small sensor, about the size of a large battery, that constantly measures air pressure and, in many cases, temperature. If the pressure drops below the recommended level, this sensor sends a wireless signal to the car's computer, which lights up a warning on your dashboard, that famous yellow icon that looks like a horseshoe with an exclamation mark. If you see that light, don't ignore it. It means a tire is saying something's not right. But here's the interesting part. Not all Tpms systems are the same. Some, called direct Tpms, measure actual pressure with sensors inside the tire. Others, called indirect Tpms, use the ABS system to detect differences in the rotation speed of each wheel. If one tire is low, it spins differently, and the system notices. Now, what happens if the sensor fails or you decide to ignore it? Many drivers get complacent and keep driving with the warning light on, thinking, "I'll check it later." The problem is that a slowly deflating tire can gradually lose grip, wear unevenly, and compromise the overall control of the vehicle. Moreover, a broken or poorly calibrated Tpms can give you a false sense of security. You think everything is fine until it's not. The good news is that taking care of these sensors is easy. Check your tire pressure at least once a month, even if the warning light isn't on. If you change your tires or rims, make sure the sensors are reinstalled and properly calibrated.